another RC car review video. Today we are going to be looking at the Supra white model.
Toyota Supra.
I'm sorry, I have no idea about cars, but I know about this bad boy. So, as you can see, simple on-off switch. It is charged by a USB port right here. It can be used with a block, but every single one should, so.
Hard to get that back in there, huh?
No dude. So yeah, if we look here, if you saw our Dodge Charger video, this is the exact same control, simple on off. Steering, speed, turbocharger, and got the wing in the back. Whole socket's attached. This thing, no idea what it does.
That?
Yeah.
It adjusts the wheels.
It adjusts the wheels.
As you guys can see, we've definitely been using it.
Quite a bit.
It's a reliable car, 100%.
It's a sturdy car. So, I'm gonna drive it a little bit for you guys. I'll try to do my best to drift. Oh yeah.
Charger
also,
vid, check out this big boy.
Check
that guy out.
This is actually our first video. You see, I gotta get like kind of moving.
It's my leg.
That's my leg, fool.
Okay.
I mean, it works a lot better.
Hey, kitty.
But I feel like you have to be outside.
What you doing, Fa?
That's actually a pretty clean entrance. That should be a thumbnail. Okay, got the rims on the tire.
Also, this guy, usually the cameraman.
Shut. Hello.
Idiot.
So here you got the tires.
Nice treads.
Rims.
Gold.
Kind of remind me of Patrick Star covered in 24 karat gold. Yeah, this is kind of a plain and simple car.
You know, used to have mirrors.
Yeah, we just broke one off.
We stepped on it.
Actually,
yeah.
no, our other technical stepbrother stepped on it.
Yeah, but see that crack? The body, cheap plastic.
Oh yeah, let me show you this.
Also, that is gone.
Suspension. You see, not that great.
That's just a wheelie, man.
Yeah. All in all, simple car. We got some really fun use out of it.
Not the best in a white tone, honestly, with that.
Yeah.
To the front. Spoiler, pretty big. You know,
we got the exhaust pipe.
Fake. You got the stickers. Literally peel off. License plate. Don't look it up, you know what I mean. No.
Yeah, why isn't that blurred?
You got that blackout headlights. You know.
We have no idea what the price of the car is. You would have to do some
It's $20.
I was trying to be dramatic.
Dummy. But
honestly, it looks like something haunted from Cars.
Yeah, but
just so you know, it will not show up in this condition. Believe us.
Yes, it will not. It will show up brand new, pearly white.
What if the shipping gets mixed up and it goes everywhere?
I will try to insert a photo of it
for the thumbnail.
That's nice.
So yeah, we're just basically trying to make up time because it was kind of a short video.
Yeah,
so
it's
we're
only
just trying
5
to make
minutes.
Small talk.
How's your guys' day going? Let me know in the comments.
And also hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. It's from Sunday, is my favorite YouTuber. And share us with your friends so they can see us.
Again.
And then tell them to share with their friends. And then tell them to share with their friends to tell them to share with their friends. And it's just an infinite loop until we get 1 million subscribers. Hold up, wait. We should do something special for the 1 million subscribers special.
If we're gonna get there.
We might.
Okay, listen.
Yeah, that's kind of obnoxious if it's not, like, actually going.
That, again.
Wait, this pisses me off. So I'm the cameraman right now. We would try to drive it outside for you. As you can see, there is no light to be had.
Right. So, that concludes this episode of Car Review. Sucks I can't get under.
Car review. Car review.
Stop copying Pewds.
Hey, he said name review. I'm saying car review.
But, no way I can get under there, I don't think. Unless I break it. I don't want to break it.
And it's a great car. So, like, if you're into RC cars, I recommend you asking this for, like, your birthday or Christmas or something. Wherever you live, whatever time you're watching this video, no matter what holiday it is, just
feel free to ask, you know.
If you're into that type of stuff.
Ask me any questions. I will reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, feel free to leave a like. Subscribe if you're new. Comment, share, all the good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.